Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Kia Soul. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need a 17mm socket or wrench, a drain pan, a new oil filter, and a funnel. Make sure your engine is slightly warm, as this helps the old oil drain more easily. Always park on a level surface and set the parking brake for safety. Now let's get that old oil out. Slide your drain pan under the vehicle, directly beneath the oil pan. Using your 17mm socket, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is removed. With the old oil draining, it's time to replace the filter. Locate and remove the old oil filter, being careful as some oil might still drip. Clean the area where the filter mounts. Take your new filter and apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Screw on the new filter by hand until it's snug, then give it about 3/4 of a turn more. Almost done, reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to about 25 foot-pounds. Now, using a funnel, pour in approximately 4 quarts of fresh SAE 5W20 engine oil. Start your engine for a minute to circulate the oil, then shut it off. After a few minutes, check the oil level with the dipstick and add more if needed, ensuring it's between the low and full marks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.